So this is what I woke up to after I ate the Vegemite. Nobody warned me about the side effects.
Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Evening. So I started this video and then I got a video chat request and I didn't know, I didn't know when you got it on Do Not Disturb that you can still get those. So it knocked it off. But that's okay, because what you missed was the very boring part of me spreading the first color on what we're working on tonight. And we are working on, yes, here I go, Christmas decorations for the home. And we are doing a reindeer head and a set of stars, and we're using the same colors in all of them. And of course that is very detailed to get my base color over all the nooks and crannies, so that would have been boring. So it actually turned out kind of good because you missed that. The colors we are using tonight are the Coffee Crisp, which is just gorgeous. It is one of my metallics, and it's being replaced in the fall in September with coffee, which is, as far as I'm concerned, identical. Very little difference, if at all. But this is Coffee Crisp, and it's beautiful. We are using, I made a combination of the Niagara wine and the Christmas wine tint with Niagara wine to give it a bit of a shimmer. And we're using Artie Sue's Bright Gold. Okay, so come on down and you can see what I've already done. I've base coated it all. So now I'm going to take the Niagara wine, and I'm leaving the antlers brown. Oh, I see a section I didn't even get, but I'll get it after. I'm going to leave them brown, and I'm going to do the design on the reindeer's body. I'm going to do the same with the stars, with the Niagara wine. I have the set. This is that set. And, well, you're not seeing all. I'll bring you in a minute. And then I'm going to add some gold. And I'm going to add a little bit of gold to the tips of the antlers, the large tips. And let it just run down the side of my cup. Not a real pour, just running down the side of the cup. Oops. Okay, that was a bit of a pour. Okay, so now let's take our, wipe my hands a bit with some alcohol. Let's take our heat gun and move this around a little bit. Heat it up first. Man, I wish you could see the shimmer in this, but you will when you see it dry tomorrow. I don't want to move this too much because I like the way the Coffee Crisp is reacting with the winter or the Christmas wine mixture. like I said, I'm leaving the antlers brown. So I'm not going to heat them up. Okay, I'm going to leave the reindeer just like that. Now I'm bringing you over, bring you back a bit. Hopefully you can see this, all the stars. You know, when they tell you more is less, or less is more, it's 100% true sometimes. Because as these are settling on their own, I'm seeing that I don't even really want to move a lot, because I really do like the way they're reacting with themselves. The wine with the brown and the gold with both the brown and the wine. And they're just very complementary to each other. And I'm not usually a brown person, but you know, that's the thing about art and selling our products. You know, our customers are the ones who really dictate the colors. You know, if it was up to me, almost every piece I would do would be probably blues. But they're not everybody's forte. Okay, so you know what, guys? I like this. I like this very much. Just the way it is. And you won't even, I know videos don't even show you. Because I'm looking at the camera right now and I'm looking down at these and I'm thinking they don't look good. But to really look at them, they are actually kind of awesome. So, I'm going to leave them right now. And then tomorrow, when I take pictures of all of this, I want you to tell me if I should, if you think embellishing the stars with this gold, red gold. I don't know if you can see the gold in the red pieces of glass, which would look really nice because it's a burgundy on the stars, or leave them because I can do the second layer clear and put them on. And, or do I give the deer a snowflake eye? Okay, we'll discuss that tomorrow when I post these pictures. But for now, I'm going to bring you down and you tell me if you can see. See, I've done the tips here. Let's just tip this one in some gold. This one in some gold because it kind of wanted to run off. There we go. And we got some burgundy coming up just a bit. I really like the effect of this. That's what I was going to fix in here. I didn't get in there because I didn't hear you guys telling me you missed a spot. You gotta speak up louder. So what do you think? I like the effects of those colors together. I really like that coffee crisp. And I like my Christmas wine. And it's just got a little bit of shimmer in it because I added in some Niagara wine. But, oh man, very pretty Christmas. Very Christmassy, Christmassy. Or not, you know, depending on your decor colors in your house, this could just be perfect. Doesn't have to be Christmas. If you're a hunter, my son-in-law is a hunter, which I normally would have probably freaked about something like that, but he eats what he kills, and that matters to me, so very good. Turned out well. And see, no heat gun, or well, heat gun, we moved it around. No torch because there is no bubbles. I don't have to move anything. The gold is doing what I love. It does that threading. I just love when it does that. So that's gold that I've got to work on to find for us. Since Artie Sue isn't going to be making it anymore, we need to find a bright gold. Even if I can get it in a powder, which I think we are getting one, you can make your own paste, remember? Just part A. Mix your powders with part A to the thickness, to the pasty consistency that you like toothpaste or a little runnier, and then keep it in an airtight jar with a lid and use it just like you do any of the other pastes or powders. When you want that color, you take out a little bit, put it in a cup, mix your resin, there you go, you've done. And that will last you, if you keep it in an airtight jar, it will last you for quite a while. So, there you go, guys. We did Christmas. I know. I'm such a summer person. This is what I'd like, really. I love summer, but I love Christmas. Christmas is my favorite time of year because I love giving to my kids and my grandkids, and we support a family or two in the neighborhood at Christmas time. You don't know who it is, you just do. And that's a nice thing that we don't know, because then they don't feel uncomfortable and no one does. So Christmas is my favorite time of year. So this is what I'd like, because I used to love this when I was growing up in Toronto. We used to get a ton of snow in Toronto. Now they get none. I would like it to snow on Christmas Eve. Snow all day Christmas Day, but safely. Christmas Eve, so you can walk around in the dark and see all the Christmas lights, and it's snowing and beautiful. Christmas Day, so that it just warms the heart. And then go away, and summer again. Yeah? Sound good to you? Sounds good to me. Somebody have a talk with Mother Nature for me and give me a call. Okay, guys. Have a great evening. Thanks for joining.